Hello student, is your IJMB tutor Joseph, and in today's video we'll be looking at physics paper 2 and question 2 precisely. If you have not seen the paper 1, you can go back question 1 for paper 2, you can go back and check my previous video. And today we'll be looking at paper 2, and the question is calculate the focal length of a combination of the concave lens of focal length 20 cm and the convex lens of focal length of 30 cm in contact. Is the system a converging or diverging lens? Ignore the thickness of the lenses. Now you discover that this question is more of explanation. Now I'll be using the IJMB 2025 study pack, which is made available at the description, and it is going to enhance your study and also your understanding. So you do well to check the description. Also subscribe, get the study pack, and feel free to comment if you are confused. Now here is the answer to the problem. So give the study pack, and if you check, this is question 2, and if you notice in the study pack I have done that question. You see paper 2 answers. So this is paper 2 answers for question number 2, and here is it. Here's the question, and what I'll be doing here, I will not have time to explain in order for me to catch up with chemistry paper 1 and 2, to catch up with biology paper 1 and 2, and I've not been able to post biology because the work is studious, and it's studious for me. It's not easy. So I will advise every student here to please check the description, get the study pack. It will enhance your understanding, and it will better your preparation for your upcoming examination. So what I'll be doing, I'll be going through the screen. You get the explanation, you get the solution to the answer, and also if you have been watching my previous video, you were also encouraged at the study pack to get the study pack, because inside the study pack we have inside the study pack we have IJMB paper 1, that is mechanics complete notes series that will help you out to pass your physics. So do well to get it, and remain blessed. Please subscribe. I need your subscription. Have a nice day. Hello student, let's unlock IJMB 2024. In this 2025, I have come up with an amazing package known as the IJMB Study Pack 2025. Inside the study pack, we have amazing and interesting materials that will level you up for your upcoming examination, ranging from the AZ IUPAC nomenclature, a complete guide that will get you stand out when attempting organic chemistry. I have interesting past questions ranging from 2021, 2023 down to 2025 to 2024, and series of question and answer completely solved and explained, level up to meet up your demand for 2025. IJMB 2024 question, chemistry, physics, biology, completely solved with full explanation to meet your requirement. It's a study pack. Also have past questions for you, series of past questions, and best, my note is made available for you, self-explanatory on mechanics ranging from measurement and dimension, motion, projectile motion, circular motion, momentum, work, power and energy, gravitational field, elasticity, surface tension, fluid motion, vibrations and wave, Doppler effect. You will not love to miss out this amazing opportunity. So I encourage you to subscribe, check the description, and reach out to me to get your IJMB 2025 study pack.